Bring a pot of salted water to boil, then add your fettuccine noodles into the pot. Cut to 2 to 3 boneless chicken and cut them into squares. Heat your pan and add olive oil. Add your chicken. Add garlic salt, a generous amount. To that, add your choice of seasoning. I'm using Papis. This is optional, but add ranch seasoning and add pepper. Mix and stir and let it cook. Optional, but you could add broccoli florets inside your pasta as well. Follow instructions in the back of bag. After I stir and mix, I usually add a little bit more of the seasoning, just a little bit more to give it more flavor. Make yourself a mixed drink. I'm making myself a Clamato OG watermelon rim paste is what I'm using for my cup. Yum, literally so yum. Drain any excess water or juices that come out from the chicken and put it back to the stove and let it toast. Make sure you stir and then let it toast for a little bit and then stir and let it toast. Once it gets brown and toasty, add any Alfredo that you like. I'm using these two. Make sure to scrape the bottom to add more flavor. Add your broccoli and stir. Let it bubble for a second and then add a cover and simmer for at least less than 10 minutes. Drain pasta and add it back to the pot. Now add in the ingredients and stir. When you're done, cover it and let it sit so that it soaks up all that greatness. Now serve it with your favorite sides.